Here is what nobody in sales leadership wants to say out loud. Your reps are losing deals they should be winning, and you are paying for it twice. Once in the onboarding budget, which averages $25,000 per rep, and again in the revenue that never closes. The root cause is not motivation. It is not product knowledge. It is that your reps have never been forced to practice the actual conversation. A slideshow and a call shadow is not preparation. It is exposure. There is a significant difference. $25,000 to onboard one rep, 4.5 months before they are ramped, and 60% still miss quota in their first year. These numbers do not indicate a hiring problem. They indicate a training problem. Specifically, they indicate that your reps are learning on the job, on live deals, rather than in a controlled environment where mistakes cost nothing. Traditional roleplay was supposed to solve this, but traditional roleplay has 3 fundamental failures that AI now renders obsolete. Failure 1, inconsistency. The quality of in-person roleplay depends entirely on the manager running it. Most managers are not trained buyers. Failure 2, scale. You cannot run meaningful roleplay with 30 reps and 2 sales managers. Someone always gets skipped. Failure 3, no data. You have no objective way to measure whether your rep actually improved. Paradiso AI Roleplay eliminates all 3. AI buyer personas respond like real prospects, handling objections, applying pressure, adapting based on what your rep says. Every session is scored, every response is logged, and the platform scales to your entire organization simultaneously. Inside Paradiso AI Roleplay, your reps select from over 24 scenario types: objection handling, price negotiation, competitive displacement, executive selling, deal closing. The AI adapts its pushback based on every response. If the rep handles the pricing objection well, the AI escalates to a competitor comparison. If they stumble, it loops them back. After 5 practice sessions, we see an average score improvement of 38%. Ramp time for new reps drops by 40%. And because the platform runs 24 hours a day, reps can train at 10 at night before a big meeting the next morning. Paradiso AI Roleplay covers every high-stakes sales moment your reps face. Objection handling, every price, timing, and competitor pushback they will ever encounter. Negotiation, terms, discounts, procurement pressure. Competitive displacement, going head-to-head with Salesforce, Gong, and legacy vendors. And every closing technique from trial close to multi-stakeholder sign-off. Each scenario is configurable to your exact sales motion, your buyer personas, and the specific objections your team hears most often. The results are measurable and consistent. Ramp time to first close deal drops by 40%. After just 5 practice sessions, reps see an average score improvement of 38% across all scenario types. And organizations that deploy AI roleplay at scale see a 28% lift in quota attainment in year 1. These are not projections. They are outcomes from teams that replace instinct-based coaching with data-driven practice infrastructure. Implementation is straightforward. We configure scenarios that map to your actual sales motion, your objections, your buyer types, your competitive landscape. Reps begin practicing immediately on any device. Managers see a live analytics dashboard showing exactly which skills each rep is developing and where the gaps remain. Meaning your coaching conversations become targeted rather than general. You stop running the same training for everyone and start addressing the specific weakness that is costing each rep deals. This is what a high-performance sales organization looks like when it is built on data rather than instinct. Here is the uncomfortable truth for sales leaders sitting on the sidelines. The teams adopting AI practice infrastructure today are not just training faster. They are building a competitive advantage that compounds every quarter. Every rep who practices 200 objection responses before their first live call is a rep your competitor cannot easily replicate. The gap between organizations that act now and organizations that wait is not measured in features. It is measured in quota attainment, deal velocity, and rep retention, and it widens every month. Your competitors are already exploring AI-driven sales training. The teams that build this practice infrastructure now will outramp, outnegotiate, and outclose the teams that wait. Paradiso AI Roleplay gives your reps the repetitions they need before the deal that matters. If you want to see what this looks like inside your organization, book a demo at Paradiso today.